Why are people installing solar and batteries? Well, it makes sense. They can slash their bills right down. You can take 90% out of your power bill if you like, and that's what a solar system with a battery can actually do. You can get you away from your retailer and give you control again. We're Sonnen Premium Partners, and what that means for the customer is we've gone through an accreditation process, we've done exams, we've found out all the glitches that can happen with it. It's a really beneficial program for the customer and for us as a company. So with the Sonnen, we really like the fact that there's multiple small batteries rather than one large battery. So when we're installing it, we can use one installer rather than needing 2, maybe 3 guys plus some lifting equipment. It makes it simpler and keeps the cost right down. When installing any technology, especially the latest technology, we need to make sure that we've got good support from the company that we're installing from. What we find with Sonnen is we make a phone call and someone's on the phone directly, helping us out. We've never left a job unfinished because we couldn't get to the end of the road because of a technical issue.
The reason I like Sonnen so much is the service is second to none, really. I always get through to somebody in the technical department straight away. There's never any waiting. They're always there to help go through any problems that we might have on site, misplaced CTs or incorrect connections, and we generally get things sorted out pretty quickly. So, yeah, very pleased with the service.
Calling Sonnen support line, we get someone directly, we get the problem solved, and we leave at the end of the day with the job completed. The sonnenBatterie is the smarts to become part of a bigger community. When you put a sonnenBatterie in, you can connect to sonnenFlat, and sonnenFlat guarantees you a fixed price power bill moving forward into the future. Well, what I liked about Sonnen was the fact that it was German made and German designed, but what I love about Sonnen now is it's now getting manufactured in Australia, supporting Australian industry. That's a great step forward for Australia.